So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all had an amazing trading day. In today's video, we will do an analysis for Nifty 50, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty for tomorrow since we have a Fin Nifty expiry tomorrow. Furthermore, we'll understand how we can utilize the key levels which I will be giving you. So let's get started. Before starting the analysis video, I would like to give a heads up on 25,000 month challenge where I am using the 25,000 as a capital for options trading, and I'm making a profit of 2% or more every day. So my minimum profit for the day will be the 2%. I can show you the Excel sheet. If I get a good response, probably we can start that. So without further delay, let's get started. So before starting the analysis for Nifty 50, I would like to glimpse on how Nifty 50 performed today. So as you see the screen, there is a 15-minute chart of Nifty 50. And as soon as the market opened, I used the Fibonacci tool from last session from point A to point B. And my logic behind the first trade, I'm going to tell you ki as soon as I use the Fibonacci tool, the market opens somewhere here. And in one day, if you see this rectangle, in one day time frame, this was acting as a zero point 0.6 level and this was acting as a 0.5 level as I informed in yesterday's video. So my logic behind the first trade was as soon as this candle closes below the 0.78 level in 15 minutes, I'm going to take a trade and my first target will be till 0 0.5 level, and after that also the market came down till 0.23, but I exited my profit at 0.3. So I captured 107 points today in first trade. So before starting for the analysis, I would like to tell I personally use the 25k monthly challenge, I mean which I have started now, where I use a capital of 25,000 and I make a 2% every day. So let's consider day 1 is 25,000 and I'm making a profit on that day, that is ideal 2%. That is 25,500 that capital will become, and the next day I will use the capital of 25,500 and my profit should be 2% of that. So this is how I'm making, and see the video which I'm posting on the my playlist as well, and if I get a good response, probably you can start that. So coming back to Nifty 50, again the market consolidated here for a while, and then I was not interested in this. I saw the mid cap. I really wanted to take a trade on mid cap today, but in first half an hour the IVs were very high, so I was not interested in going for mid cap. So let's get started with the analysis for tomorrow. So I'm just going to go on a 1 day time frame. So as you see, the first thing we do is we use the Fibonacci for 1 day time frame, and the second thing is we will mark the previous day high and previous day low, which will act as a very important level for us. So we are going to mark first the day high and day low, and we always mark the day high and day low with the green color line. So I'm going to change the line color. Trading is not a one-day journey, it's a continuous journey. If we are making 10,000, 50,000 in a day, we are not going to go anywhere. The greed will keep increasing. This I have experienced in past. So I really want to go the small steps ahead. Yeah. So the first thing what we have done is we have just marked the day high, previous day high and previous day low. Now we are going to mark the Fibonacci level. So I'm just going to use the Fibonacci tool over here and this. So as you see from few weeks, the bearish movement is getting continued. I was just waiting for the bullish movement to come, but I guess it's going to take a time for us. So yeah. Instead of this, what we can see, I can see the swing over here. And one more thing, if you can observe, is making a head and shoulder, head and shoulder. So there is a possibility it might wait for the retest here that this today's candle and it might come down from there. Again, it's just guessing, guys. We have to see ki how market performs tomorrow. So if I have to tell you guys, this is the head and shoulder which Nifty 50 is creating. Again, we have to see tomorrow if the market creates the consolidation over here or what. If we go in the weekly time frame, there is a bearish movement continuing. Coming back to Monday. Okay, so the first thing in Nifty 50 is creating a head and shoulder in 1 day time frame. We have to see the neckline whether it gives the breakdown or just consolidate at a neckline. The second thing I'm going to do in the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so in 1 hour, if you see, this is my last swing, and if I use the Fibonacci over here, key level for the Nifty 50 will be if markets comes down at 24,560 you can mark. There are very less chances that market can go up. It might do a consolidation or it might go first up upside. Coming back to key levels of ours. I always tell in all my video guys, just use the Fibonacci. You doesn't have to use any other tools because NWA tools are indicators are lagging indicators. One more thing I use in the live trading is the EMA. So I use the EMA 50, I use EMA 20 and the 200 sometimes if I want a double confirmation. So these three EMA combination I use and I trade. Let's go in a 15-minute time frame and see once. So we have already marked the day high and day low. Keep a one note guys, when we mark day high and day low of a previous day, make sure you are just keeping the eye on the day high, day low of previous 2-3 days as well, because that also can act as a very important level. So there is a 100% possibility that it might come till here. And again, we have to see whether it takes once the market comes here. So whether it takes a reversal from here or it goes for the another below levels. So this is the use of Fibonacci guys, and if we have to see the if market breaks that Fibonacci level, so we'll see what till when it can come. So these are your levels for tomorrow trading session for Nifty 50 guys. You can just mark them. And then we are going to go for the bank Nifty. Yeah, coming to the bank Nifty of 1 day chart, these are the levels which I have given in yesterday video. If I simply use the Fibonacci over here, you can see the bank Nifty today's candle is respected 0.5 level and it just went above that exactly this level which we have already given in last session. Yeah, it respected here and from there it came back. So there is a possibility it might the market tomorrow might be at a bearish side because it just touched the 0.5 and came back. There are the two possibilities bank Nifty. It might if since the candle since the today's candle closed at this level, so we there is a possibility it might there is a possibility if it's a bullish moment it might we can take a target to 0.6 level over here, and if it comes down so we can take a target till this level. Yeah, so Coming, let's mark the day high and day low days. So coming to the 1 hour, I'm just going to give you the lyrics over here. If you haven't seen my video of how to do an easy analysis, you can just go. I'll just attach the video link here for your reference. You might be knowing how to do analysis, but I do a different way, I do a scanning way. If you can just have a look and if you find it seriously, you can use that. Nothing wrong in learning new things, right? So basically in Bank Nifty, in 1 day chart, we have to see that Fibonacci level, the last string Fibonacci level we have put, right? So we have to see whether the market crosses the 0.5 level of Fibonacci or it comes down. So I have told you the both targets. If the market is bullish, so you can go for the target till 50 to 800, and if the market is bearish, you can go for the target till 51,620, or you can go till 51,000, guys. These are the important levels in Bank Nifty. If you would like to note them out. And apart from that, in Bank Nifty, we are seeing there is a channel forming here. So there are so many touch points are getting created. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is creating lower low. In 15 minutes again, it's creating a lower low rise. And if you use a Fibonacci over here, see, 2.5 is 0.6, yeah, if market comes to this green line, guys, that is 51,869, 870, you can easily go for a target till here. So just make a note of it. Yeah. So these are the key levels for Bank Nifty, which you can trade tomorrow. Now we are going to go for the finnifty. I hope Bank Nifty is clear for you guys. The main thing what you have to see in 1 day time frame, whether the Fibonacci which I have told you guys, it's going to cross the 0.5 level or not, it's going to give a breakout or breakdown. So based upon that, I have given you both the targets for a bearish movement and a bullish movement. And in Nifty 50, you have to see is the head and shoulder which market is making in 1 day time frame. If the neckline it is breaking down or consolidating and this then going up. So I hope these two are clear for you. If you have any doubt, and probably just comment down, I will try to reply them. Coming to the finnifty, so we have the expiry of finnifty tomorrow. First and foremost thing, I'm just going to apply a Fibonacci over here, and again, as you see, same as a Bank Nifty, it has touched the 0.5 level and it has come down. So again here we have to see whether the finnifty, I'll just give a rectangle over here. So we have to see tomorrow in finnifty whether it crosses the 0.5. If tomorrow the candle crosses 0.5 level, you can go till the target 0.6 easily and go till 0.6. So so this is the one thing in finnifty, same as a Bank Nifty. Just remember, we are going to mark the day high and day low first. Technical analysis is easy, guys. We just need to have little practice on it, and I'm sure you guys can do it. Yeah, so this is a channel one forming. So you see one touch point, two touch point, and we have to see whether if the market is giving a good movement, probably it is coming down, so it can take a support on this channel. So this channel you can use. Then coming to the 1 hour time frame, when the channel is forming here, and here as well, if you see. Yeah. So here also one channel is forming. So see the touch point, a trend line is forming. See the touch points over here. We can see if the first target will be till here, second target will be till the trend line channel. So but we have to see if it is consolidating, we have to take the profit and exit the position. Coming to the 15-minute time frame, in 15 minutes, if we use the Fibonacci over here, so you see we can get a key levels 0.5. If the market comes, breaks this last candle of today, then we can go for the target till 0.5, and if again the 0.5 breaks, then we can go for the target till 0.6 level of Fibonacci. I hope you guys use the Fibonacci in live market, so it is easier for you guys to understand, because as you practice, then only you will able to understand the things much better. One more thing, since we have a Nifty expiry tomorrow, so we have to make sure if you are planning to do a straddle strategy, which means buying a one lot of P, one lot of C at the same strike price, and which will give a good move, you can have a profit. So you have to make sure that generally I perform that on 920, and yeah, so you have to check if IVs are correct around 40 to 50. It means the option price is the premium is very high. So in mid cap also in the morning, the IV was very high, like 48, 45. So I did not enter the trade. So and again it was just consolidating after that. Yeah, one more thing in Nifty, again here it is kind of creating the head and shoulder in 15 minutes. So this is the shoulder, this is the head, this is the shoulder. So there is a possibility that yeah, so there is a possibility, since this will become our neckline, that it can be consolidating 1 2 candles, and then it will give the breakdown. So again, this is the one positive point for us, that we got a head and shoulder pattern over here. Okay, that's it for this video guys. I see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.